adenosine triphosphate, also known as ATP, the sole energy source for cellular processes, or as Hank Green would say, the energy currency of cells. ATP provides the energy for all reactions, including both exergonic and endogonic activities. Specifically, each of these operations require a small amount of activation energy, which ATP is able to provide. When the chemical bonds of ATP are broken, energy is released. ATP bonds are easily destroyed and formed, making ATP the ideal molecule for energy. ATP is composed of 3 phosphate groups and an adenosine. I'm going to step aside for a second so you can see the diagram behind me. You can see the adenosine is made up of adenine and ribose, which is a 5-carbon sugar, and then the 3 phosphate groups, which are labeled as P. So adenosine, like I just said, is made up of the nitrogenous base adenine and a 5-carbon sugar, which in this case is ribose. The 3 phosphate groups are labeled as alpha, beta, and gamma. So you can see right there, alpha, beta, and gamma. The alpha is closest to the ribose sugar, while the gamma is furthest, which can be demonstrated in this diagram. The bonds between the phosphate groups are, I don't know if I can pronounce this word, but I will try, are phosphoanhydride bonds, and are very high energy. To summarize, an ATP molecule has an adenosine backbone with 3 phosphate groups attached. Hydrolysis of ATP is the breakdown of ATP into ADP and 1-phosphate, which is expressed as PI, which you can see here. The reaction releases energy and consists of ATP plus water, yields ADP plus PI plus free energy. The reaction is reversible, and the synthesis of ATP is synthesis, which is right there, ADP plus PI plus free energy yields ATP plus water. So basically, like I just said, it's the same thing backwards. ATP is unstable, and unless used to perform work, it disassociates. In order to prevent this energy from being lost, cells use energy coupling, which takes the energy released from ATP hydrolysis and uses it in endogonic reactions. For example, the movement of sodium out and potassium into the cell through the sodium-potassium pump is a good example of that. The next video, which I'll be posting shortly, will be on enzymes. Yay! Oh yeah, and to masters people watching this video, good luck on the PSATs tomorrow. Today is Tuesday, so tomorrow is Wednesday, which are the PSATs, and if you're a senior, have fun going to bio. Yeah, and your other classes. Yep, that's it.